Why would the Pharaoh not let the people go?
Great question. First, Moses asked Pharaoh to let God's people go, but Pharaoh believed his power mattered more than God's voice. Second, even when signs and plagues appeared, Pharaoh kept saying no, and his heart grew harder each time. Third, this story is not just about power, it is about choices and what repeated choices do to the heart.
So, what does that actually mean?
1. Power without humility can trap a person and make change feel threatening. 2. God gave Pharaoh many chances to listen, reflect, and choose differently. 3. When pride is practiced again and again, the heart slowly closes instead of opening.
Does the brain really change from small steps?
Yes. Step 1. The brain strengthens whatever patterns are repeated most often. Step 2. Pharaoh practiced stubbornness, which built strong resistance pathways in the brain. Step 3. When flexibility is not practiced, the brain becomes less open to new truth and correction.
How does this show up in real life?
Number 1. This shows up when someone refuses to admit they are wrong. Number 2. It can happen when control feels safer than listening or learning. Number 3. Like Pharaoh, refusing feedback can slowly harden attitudes and block growth.
So, small equals big?
Yes. First, one small no made the next no easier for Pharaoh. Second, repeated refusals stacked like bricks, slowly building a wall around the heart. Third, small humble choices repeated over time can build openness instead of resistance.
So, how do I start?
1. Notice moments when pride says I must be right. 2. Name the feeling underneath control, fear, embarrassment, or anger. 3. Practice one small act of humility today by listening before defending.
What should we do today?
Today's challenge is simple, but powerful. Step 1. Say one honest sentence like I was wrong or I need help. Step 2. Notice how your heart feels when you listen instead of resist. Step 3. Comment one word that describes what you learned today and subscribe to grow wisdom together. Pharaoh had power but lost freedom because his heart stayed closed. God's warnings were invitations to change, not instant punishment. Humility keeps the heart soft and ready to grow.
See you in the next episode.